Do you have low back or hip discomfort from tight muscles? Well, stick around because in today's video, we're going to be addressing some biomechanical alterations in your low back and posture that could potentially be affecting your hip pain, low back pain, or tightness. And we're going to be giving you some stretches on how to alleviate this tightness and pain at home. Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Dr. Vincenzo Romualdi. I'm a chiropractor in Yorkville in downtown Toronto, and today we're going to be talking about hip tightness and low back tightness when related to lower cross syndrome. Now, in last video, I went over the weak muscles of lower cross syndrome and how to strengthen those. Today, we're going to be addressing the tight muscles of lower cross syndrome and how to stretch them. Now, if you don't know what lower cross syndrome is from last video, essentially what it is tight and weak muscles in your lower part of your spine that is affecting your posture, and these tight and weak muscles occur in the front and back of your spine. Before we get started with today's video, I'd just like to say that chiropractic care can help with conditions such as lower cross syndrome, but what I'm after is making sure you're functioning at your best always. So if you have a stress in your life, whether it be a physical, chemical, or emotional stress, you're able to deal with it at your best because your body is functioning at its best. It's my sole objective, comes right from the heart. Now that that's said, let's get into today's video. So the two areas we're going to be stretching today are your low back and your hip flexors. Those are the two tight areas of lower cross syndrome. So we're going to be starting with your tight hip flexors and how to stretch them. So a stretch you can do simply is getting down onto one knee like so in a lunge and making sure you're leaning forward into that lunge. And that should give you a nice stretch on the front part of your hip here. Now, if this is causing pain, come just off of it and stay there. So you want to be doing this on both sides. Make sure you're holding anywhere from 15 to 20 seconds per side and repeat 3 times. The next area of your body that is going to be tight will be your low back muscles. And a very simple stretch you can do is something called cat-cow. So to do cat-cow, what you're going to be doing is on all fours. First part of cat-cow is rounding your back. And after you round your back, you want to be fully extending your back. And you're not just doing this with your lower part of your spine, you're doing this with your entire spine, as you can see in this demonstration video. And you want to be holding at the end range of motion for anywhere from 5 to 10 seconds and really feeling that stretch there. Now this allows you to stretch your lower back muscles in a neutral spine without increasing your risk of injury. So there you have it. Those are 2 stretches to address the tight muscles associated with lower cross syndrome. Those tight muscles again are your low back muscles and your hip flexors. I hope you found today's video educational and helpful. If you know anybody who is going through something like this, please share this with them. If you have any questions or any ideas for future videos, please leave a comment down below. Again, my name is Dr. Vincenzo Romualdi. I'm a chiropractor in Yorkville. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.